Let's make one of my favorite desserts, apple fritters. These are incredibly amazing. In the mixing bowl, combine flour, sugar, and spices. Whisk everything up. In a different bowl, combine milk, 1 egg yolk, and melted butter. Whisk everything up. In a different bowl, combine 2 egg yolks and then beat until stiff peak, just like you see it here. In a different bowl, combine apples and lemon juice. Now we're gonna put all the ingredients together. In a clean bowl, combine dry ingredients with wet and fold them together. After, add egg whites and fold those in. And lastly, add apples and fold those in, just like you see it here. Now let's preheat our oil. We're gonna use a skillet and avocado oil. When the oil is hot, add about 2 tablespoons of batter. Cook until golden color, then flip on the other side. After, transfer on a plate lined with paper towel. Next, let's see how you can dress these up. You can simply dust them in the powdered sugar, just like that, and voila, they're ready to be eaten. Or dip them in my favorite silky glaze. For that, you're gonna need milk, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. Mix everything up, then dip each apple fritter inside the glaze. And that's it. Or you can simply just drizzle the glaze over the top. Both ways taste absolutely amazing. I can't wait for you to try this recipe. Visit munchkintime.com for more recipes like this. Bye!